1 back seat, 1 bottom seat, 2 leg frames with included leg extensions, 2 back seat L-shaped frames, 2 armrests, 5 short hand knob screws, 4 long hand knob screws, 9 washers, remove product from carton and read instructions carefully before attempting to install the product. No tools required. Place square seat upside down on a flat surface so holes are showing. Align the leg section that has the concave area on the underside with the screw holes on the seat. Then align the next leg section that has the concave area on the top side with the last 2 screw holes on the seat. Hold both leg sections in the middle with one hand and align the center hole where the concave sections are. With the other hand, fasten 1 short hand knob screw, making sure the washer is resting in the screw hole pocket. Position the seat to the edge of the table or bed so you can install the seat legs easily. Align 1 L-shaped back seat frame to the 2 left screw holes on the seat. Fasten together using 2 washers and 2 long hand knob screws. Attach the back support to both L-shaped frames and fasten with 4 washers and 4 short hand knob screws. Attach each armrest to each side where you see the round metal sleeves on the frame legs. The armrest should be at an angle pointing away from the chair. Make sure to hear an audible snap when securing the armrest, and check periodically to make sure all fixings are tight and secure.